IKEA, 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 IKEA. So here's a pack of solar lights, $11.99 for small set and $16.99 for the larger set. And check this out. Oh, that one's $16. So you get these ones for $16.99 with the solar panel, and this one's $11.99 solar panel. That would be interesting to put in the van. That's a pretty common price. What is that? 3 feet, 3-foot strip. LED for $19, but this one's pretty decent. $8.99 single light, and yeah, actually that's reasonable, huh? And it's pretty bright. Wow. Is that real brick? Oh yeah, it's real brick. Huh? Too bad it wasn't. Okay, my thoughts on going to IKEA. Definitely well worth the free tour for an hour-ish, and I kind of rushed through it. I will definitely be back, and I'll spend more time going through it. I got some good ideas, so it was a good pick-me-up with all the downs I've been going through lately. So yeah, on to yeah, we'll go back to Burnaby, and I work tonight, so sucks to be me. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, look at that van. That's a freaking awesome van. Wonder who owns it. Except for it's missing a hubcap on the back. Okay, so Burnaby is on that side of the lake. Then on the other side of the lake, we'll look at, where am I? Right there, Coquitlam. That is Coquitlam, where I came from, and the mountain range right behind is Port Coquitlam, where I came from the previous night. And that little mountain range I'm gonna explore this summer, I think. Yeah, right on the edge of Burnaby Lake, in between Coquitlam and Burnaby. It's a nice quiet little park and lake. I'll take you down to the lake later and show you the lake. Oh, caution, bear in the area. So somebody's got a big RV here. So we got sunshine today, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Actually, this park isn't too far away from where I work. I don't know, 15-minute drive-ish. And it is a large lake. It's like I'm out of the movie The Birds. Yeah, cock, cock, cock. Yeah. All of these, all blackberry bushes. All of them, all the big thorns. In June-ish, man, there's like a gazillion blackberries. Oh, he's gone. You know, one of my most favorite moments, I think, in Vancouver area was when I was feeding the birds out in Tynehead Park. If I get that video, if I go back, maybe I'll link it in the comment or description below, as they say, or maybe I'll tag it somewhere up here in this video if I can figure out how to do that. But yeah, they would just come up and eat right out of my hands. Put some of the seeds there, and this happened to me before, many times in Manitoba. The gray jays, they're pretty brave, and they'll come right up and eat out of your hand too. And I do have some films on that, I think. See if I can post that maybe. So I don't know if I'm gonna get how much sun glare it is, but if you look there, that's Burnaby Metro Town Central, and I usually reside on some street between here and down that way. And some red-winged blackbirds here. Or, to me this is like spring coming from Manitoba. Wow. It's like totally April weather, plus 9 or something-ish. Look at the greens. Okay, the pier is where I came from. Actually, I came from my mama, but you know. So I'm gonna end this video by mentioning how my job interview went. This interview went much better. I met with a different person and it seemed to go very smooth. I think they're interested now, or this girl is anyways. So we'll see what happens. I even gave her a great idea on how they can change their department for the better. So we will see what happens, and maybe next video we will have an update for you. Anyways, keep on vanning you all, because that's what we're doing. So cheers. Oh look, no hands driving. Not a good thing. Don't do that.